Hi guys, Merry Christmas guys. Let me take you in a day in my life of what my Christmas day actually looks like. So on this day, I first of all woke up, took my kids to mass, and this was me after mass. These are the green veggies I'm going to be using to make my green sauce. This green sauce will serve as the base for my chicken curry sauce. You can see it's a combination of different ingredients which are mostly green. I'm going to be naming them for you guys. First is ginger garlic, green peppers. Next, I'm sorting off a mixture of my onions, and in that tray, I have a mixture of red and green rodo to get a bit of spiciness. I also have my long chili peppers as well as my spring onions. One great tip I'm going to drop for you is that if you want to cook chicken curry sauce, instead of using so much of curry powder, I advocate that you have a green base. And this right here is a multi-purpose green base such that you can use it to marinate your meat and you can as well use it to cook your sauce as the stock or the water. So you don't have to add so much curry or turmeric or whatever to achieve that color your chicken curry usually has. This particular chicken curry sauce is unique to me, and this is the way my I grew up seeing my mom cook it, and I said I'm going to try it out. This is my first time cooking it this way because there are some vegetables I normally do not add, but I added it here. So this is me. I've blended it. I'm going to use a part of it to marinate the meat and also use it as my base to cook the sauce. So guys, enjoy the vlog. If you have any questions as regards ingredients, process, outcome, you can drop your questions in the comment section. Moving on, here I was trying to pan-sear the chicken that I cut in smaller chunks. I have ones that are in large chunks and the smaller ones. After pan-searing needs, because this is soft chicken, I don't want it to, disintegrate while I'm cooking the sauce. And I'm going to At this point, my sauce was done. Can you take a look at how this sauce is looking? Very yummy, very beautiful. I've added all the veggies. I just needed it to boil for maybe the next 1 or 2 minutes, and so that the corn flour can work perfectly by thickening it up. Guys, look at the final result now. So I decided to boil some white rice and pair it with the sauce. Of course, you guys know that it goes best with white rice and sauce. Another alternative for you is to make mashed potatoes. It also goes well with the sauce. So I boiled some rice, added some carrots and peas, so that the colors can match and, complement very well. Now the rice is done. Just checking it out to ensure there is no water underneath. And I'm just going to stir these veggies. Remember to add the veggies lastly so that it doesn't cook so much. And this is me trying to serve myself food. Please, man must chop. Don't forget to like, drop your comments, ask your questions in the comment section. If you're confused on anything, ask. I'm going to answer you. Remember to share and also don't forget to subscribe. So until my next vlog, thank you for watching up to this time. See you in my next vlog. We have many more vlogs dropping soon. Bye.